Hello again. This is Miss Harris, and I'm here to help you get going with your Tibbot science work. So let's go today. As you can see, we are looking at his website on Google Classroom. And to find your assignments, you click classwork at the top. Let's go. So I'm clicking classwork. And now we see the assignments. Sometimes I feel a little overwhelmed seeing so many things. What can you do when you've got so much to do? Well, the first thing I would do is make it easy for myself. I'm going to start with one thing. And if you haven't gotten started on your work in Mr. Tibbot's class, the best thing to do is to just do one thing. Get the ball moving. It's called momentum. You'll feel better, and every time you finish something, the bright purple becomes gray, and that means you did it. So let's take a peek. I'm going to go way back, like I'm going back into the past to the beginning. And so looking back, look at this. Well, this is all September, and as we go back, we're going back in time to August. So I'm going to click it. I see types of scientists and fields. It says complete as instructed. So you know what? I found myself my first Tibbot assignment. I'm going to do it today. Let's see if we can do it together. I'll get you started. So I'm clicking that Google Doc, and ta-da! It's here. Types of scientists. First up, you write your name and your period. You got this. I'll go ahead and help you by reading the three main types of scientists, branches, kind of like a tree. Science, it's like the trunk, and one of the branches is earth, life, and physical science. You got three branches. So earth is the study of the earth and its processes, the place of the earth, our beautiful blue planet. What's life science? Well, you're alive, you're a being. It's the study of living things like you and animals and trees, anything that is alive. What's physical scientists? It's a study of things that are not alive, such as mountains and rocks, tiny little atoms. And you learn about physical science with sciences such as physics, chemistry, and astronomy. So it says here to list at least 3 more branch names within each. So let's learn about earth science. And don't forget, your best friend is Google. So let's Google stuff and add more scientists and sciences. So the first he did for you, geology. Geologists, they study the physical structure and substance, its history and processes. I happen to know a geologist. He studies rocks. So let's go over to, we're going to open up, go to that plus sign. I'm going to my search bar, and I'm going to type in kinds of earth sciences. Let's find out. We already know geology, but what else are there? There's 4 kinds. Geology, meteorology, oceanography, and astronomy. Well, I'm going to cut and paste. I'm going to grab that, and I'm going to cut and paste that little piece of info. And right now I'm demonstrating to you that I'm having a hard time cutting and pasting. What is wrong with me? Okay, anyway, I got to memorize it. You cut and paste meteorology, oceanography, astronomy. Well, meteorology. What is meteorology? I got to look that up. I don't know. It sounds like a meteor. Is that like the study of meteors? Meteorology. What is it? It's the branch of study. Oh, it's not meteors. It's weather. I just learned something. Meteorology is forecasting weather. So go back to that assignment. Let's go. Meteorology. Next one, oceanography. You like oceans? Oceanography. And the last one was, my memory. What was it? Let's go back to my friend Google. Hooray! Oh, yeah, it is astronomy. Let's go.